Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today I will show you a quick and easy way of making honey roasted mixed nuts. So let's get started. So guys, to my pan here, I have added 2 tablespoons of salted butter. I have my heat at medium, and because I'm going to be using salted butter, instead of using 1 teaspoon of salt, I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of garlic salt because my mixed nuts here is already salted. And this is store-bought, all ready to eat mixed nuts. So this is what makes this quick and easy. Instead of having to roast your mixed nuts for yourself in the oven, if you buy, you have these regular tins, you can buy your mixed nuts. You buy a tin of mixed nuts, then you can put this together very quickly. So here I have, like I said, 2 tablespoons of butter here. I'm just going to add a little bit of this garlic salt to it because obviously the butter has salt and the mixed nuts has salt. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey to this. Okay, 2 tablespoons of honey. And lastly, I personally, now again, this is doing it differently because if I had raw nuts, I would have baked it in the oven and then added the sugar in the oven, but I'm going to do everything here. So for me, I'm just going to use 1/4 cup of sugar. If you want to add more sweetness, this is not going to fit, you can add a 1/3 cup of sugar, but I'm just going to use 1/4 cup of sugar. All right, let's mix everything together here. And the good thing about this, guys, when you buy the mixed nuts like this, you could put back, after your nuts have cooled, you could use this same container to store your honey roasted nuts. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this around like this. I don't really want it to burn, so I like this color here. I'm gonna add in my nuts now. Let's coat it. See guys, I told you it was going to be a quick and easy way of making your very own honey roasted mixed nuts. So if you just bought peanuts alone, then it would be your honey roasted peanuts. But I have mixed nuts in here. So this here is about 2 cups of mixed nuts, which is equivalent to your tin. So that's why I said, guys, this is a fast, convenient way. You just buy your tin, and you just use the whole tin with this recipe. Like I said, if you want it more sweet, you add a little more sugar. In my case, I use 1/4 cup. So we're just going to stir this together a little bit, warm through everything. Make sure these sugar crystals melt a little bit. And then we're going to put it on parchment paper to cool. And there you have it, a nice snack whenever you're ready to munch on some honey roasted nuts. You have it right there. This is like just a few minutes. We don't have to put anything in the oven to bake. No, we cut out all of that. Quick and easy. All right, so this is good. I don't want, if I continue to let it heat up anymore, the nuts are going to burn and the sugar is going to burn. So what we're going to do now is transfer this to some parchment paper so that it can cool. All right, so let's put our mixed nuts in here to cool. So guys, actually, you didn't need to leave it. I left my mixed nuts in the pot here a little too long. I should not have left it this long. There was no need for it. So some of them slightly got a little too brown. Some are, ow, burned myself with sugar. Some of them got slightly too brown. So don't do that. Once it melts and it has that nice beige color, you can take it off and put it on your parchment paper to cool. I mean, actually, I should not have even put it in this dish. I should have put it on something flat, which I will do now because I can still do that. It's a good thing. You see why you should use parchment paper, guys? I can now move this out because I want this flat. I have this in a dish here that is not flat, and this is not what we want. So let's move this out. Just rest this here. You can use a sheet pan, right? And just kind of spread it out nice and flat. Okay, you want to allow this to cool because this can burn you. Remember, this is melted sugar. I mean, trust me, guys, melted sugar can burn you really badly. So make sure and don't touch this. Leave it, let it cool. And if you can try to separate it as best as possible, do that now, because once this cools and hardens, any chunks will stay as a chunk and it will be hard to break it up. So if you can separate your nuts at this point, do that, so you don't have a clump that you have to bite through, right? Guys, tell me if this is not a quick, fast snack that you can make for yourself by buying some ready-made ingredients. The mixed nuts that we bought in here is ready-made. So this is what makes it fast to put this honey roasted snack together. I'm sure if you had to buy ready-made honey roasted nuts in the grocery, it's going to be expensive, right? So you cut down a little bit on the cost by doing it this way and doing it yourself. All right, I think that should be good. We'll just leave that here, let this cool, and then we will store it right back in here.